Hello, my name is Daisy. I'll talk about the importance of English. English language is the first and the most important language around the world. This is the official language of 53 different countries and is spoken by 300 and 400 million of people around the world. In surveys and interviews released, too many people say that English is very important because English opens many doors. English is used in the commercial field. Also, English offers many opportunities to work, trips to other countries, and can communicate with foreigners people. English language is very important in my life because academically English helped me a lot. I learned to read, write, talk, things that I thought impossible to achieve. Professionally, English giving me the opportunity to get a good job and be able to continue with my career. Socially, through English, I meet other people and friends with whom I share many experiences and I could communicate with them in English. Personally, I like and I love English because this is a beautiful and important language that helped me a lot. My experience when I study English, I am very happy because every day I learn new things that are very important to me in my career. Also, I think of the day that I'll become a successful graduate of English, and that gives me strength to keep going because I know that English would help me in the future, giving me many opportunities to work. When I finished my career, I went to work as an English teacher to teach many people all that I learned and can offer the love of my life, that is my child, a better standard of living. Thank you.